Hello students, today I have uploaded the quadratic equation chapter model questions. These model questions are the very important to the board exams 10th class CBSE. In this model paper contain the MCQs, assessment and reasoning and case based questions and 2 marks questions and 4 marks questions. See, this is the first section, multiple choice questions. Now I slowly scroll down. You have any doubt regarding to this question, just to write question number in a comment box, then I will explain you step by step. Some of the questions very easy, some of the questions are moderate, some of the questions are a little bit difficult. You can solve without the without pen and paper some of the questions in this section. See, listen my words carefully. You have any doubt regarding to these questions, just to write question number in a comment box. I will explain that question in a detail. So you just write question number in a comment box. For example, now we are solving the 25th question. Which of the following is not a quadratic equation? See, before solving this question, we must idea about the what is meant that quadratic equation. Quadratic equation means the highest power of the polynomial. It means quadratic polynomial must be the degree is equal to 2. So at the same time it must follow the some criteria to become a quadratic equation. See, 25th is x square plus 3x minus 5 is equal to 0. Here the highest power, it means highest power is equal to degree 2. So it is a quadratic equation. So it is a quadratic equation. See, now solving the 25th question, you know this is a quadratic equation. 3 plus x square is equal to 0. There is no need to follow the order. After we simplify, we can must, there is no need, we can convert into the ascending order. It bases on their powers. This is the ascending order. We can must convert in the descending order. It means the greatest power is right first, x square plus x plus 3. This is also quadratic equation. Now there is no need to the 3 terms contains in that. It may be the x square only one term contains in that. It is also quadratic equation. No more doubt in that. Generally, what is the general formula of the quadratic equation? Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here is the a comma b comma c are the real numbers. A not equal to j, a not equal to 0. That is a condition. If in any case a equal to 0, that the a x square whole term becomes a 0. That the time the power is not 2. So that the time that is not a quadratic equation. So this is also quadratic equation. This is not a quadratic equation. So this is our answer. Okay. See, in this manner, say 26th question, the quadratic equation has a degree 2. Clear? Yeah. You solve in that like manner, in this manner. Then you have any doubt regarding to this question, then we'll just write. For example, you have a doubt. Sir, what is the cubic equation as a degree? You don't know. What is that answer? Then just write the 27th number in a comment box. I will explain that question in a detail. See, 29th, 30, 31. See, just pause it and then solve. I think you are able to solve these all the questions in the quadratic equation. There is a possibility to get full marks in the quadratic equation. So you have to do these all the questions in this chapter. The section B starts 51st question. See, you have any doubt regarding to this chapter? Not that question is not contained in this model paper. You can also write the whole question in a comment box. I will explain that question also, no problem. Now section C starts from the 66th question. This is section D, starts from 81st question. Section E, you are able to solve some of the questions in this. I think so. So you can solve it. If you have any doubt regarding to the complex one, then I will explain. See, just to write question number in the comment box. I will explain that question. Okay. Thank you, students. Have a nice day. Thank you. See, I scroll a little bit fast, I know, but there is a possibility to just see. For example, I scroll like this. For example, you are now right now you are solving this problem. Then pause it. Automatically, you are able to see this question. Okay. Here the 100 plus questions is there. So thank you. Have a nice day.